What up, YouTube? See your boy sweating, just left the gym. About to pull some off a little different today. About to hit up this chiropractor, get my stuff adjusted, cause I've been hurting in my neck, my arm, and I ain't never been, so about to try to get a little footage of that so y'all can see what it look like to get adjusted if none of y'all ain't never been. So I'm about to head to the house, get showered up, probably throw some little kicks on today. Let's see if they can get your boy right. Yeah, Mr. Red Man right there.
Your hand is kind of sore.
Where I go?
Yeah, that's not moving like we want it to, right? So those are the areas that we want to address. And I do that through my exam. I kind of do like pressure testing to feel like a deep stretch plus some.
Is it seeing all those nerves on there, and I see like.
That's why the back's kind of important.
Yeah.
You may hear something or like a change or some little pops. That's pretty normal. I'm just kind of checking to see, hey, there we go. Now I see what they're talking about. So we feel a little bit more developed over here. You feel that's tighter. And this I can just kind of, so we do have a little bit through here in the low back. We have a little bit that comes up through here, which also can affect that shoulder. Okay. So what can happen, and up. There we go. Big deep breath. And up. You bring your head around. You're a little bit tense, I can tell. I know it's tough. There we go. Nothing too crazy yet. Just right on over. You don't have to do anything. You don't gotta help. We'll just bring it up. If you'll wiggle your toes for me. There you go. You come right. I know you're real tense after that one. I know it's tough, man. You bring it right on over. How many thumbs do we got? There you go. Hey, you did pretty good, dude.
That was a
Bring this right up. Relax, relax. Hey, relax. I'm beating up on you so you get to punch me right in the face now. There we go. One last one just to see. Okay, man. Check that shoulder out. A little different. Probably not perfect, like I said, it's one visit.
Yeah, I don't have that sharp pain as well that I had before.
Okay, good. Now,
And do that round
with that one, keep ice on it, okay? Especially the shoulder, especially this neck. People oftentimes are a little sore after. It shouldn't be like I beat you up, but almost like we worked out a muscle we didn't know we had, because I did stretch those muscles real quick as we're doing it, okay?
Man, I feel a little bit better after that. My shoulder most definitely feels good, so I recommend y'all go get y'all stuff cracked. Because, what's up, Rick? But yeah, I feel most definitely better. I will most definitely probably feel it tomorrow. I'm gonna see how do I feel tomorrow and if I'm gonna go back again, but hey, it got me feeling right. About to get on this computer real quick and do a little editing.